Hello everybody, so we are back again for another Sheila Show Me, and we are back in our Rimor Horus, the camper van. You wanted to see what the back bed looked like and I showed you that, I'll link it below. But now you wanted to see how the front of it made up. So that's pretty simple, so let's get started. So first things first, this is a large single bed. Your table is included in the setup, so what we're going to do is we're just going to pop it off. Now, you'll see down here, you just have to press this little button here, and then that folds your leg down. So I'm just going to put this table down here out of the way just for now, and then I'll come back to it. So the next stage is we need to take the back part off this sofa here. And you simply just pull the little hooks down here. Come on round and I'll show you what I'm referring to. This little hook. You just pull that hook up and that detaches it. And the same on the other side. So next stage is you need to take this back part off. And you can store that wherever you want. And then you take this bottom part off as well. Again, store that where you like. For the base now, you have these two little legs. And they just screw in place. So now that we've removed the pillows and the legs are in place, this just folds flush like that. Now back to your table, it just hooks in place as well. And time to get your pillows. So I've just went ahead and put the pillows down for now, but there's one last step. And that is down here. This just pulls all the way across and your final pillow goes down in place. There we go. So there we go. That is the front bed of the Rimor Horus 38. This is a brand new camper van in our sales yard. If you want to come down and see it, please let me know and I'll see you next week.